Hey everyone, in this video I am going to teach you how you can change the corners of your picture in PowerPoint. You can see there is a picture with square corners. If you want to change their uh, corners to round, you simply need to click on this format in the panel of the PowerPoint. Click this format. Then there is an option of edit shape. You need to simply click on it, and below this there is an option of change shape, and moving right to it there are many shapes. You can choose the second option named rounded rectangles. By clicking this, uh, you can see their edges have been changed. You can also change to other options like circle and uh, like other options like this arrow angle. Changing this another picture, simply click format, edit shape, change shape, and route corners. So that was the end of this video. If you found this video helpful, click like. Thanks for watching.